Hello friends, today we unboxed the T9. This is the robot. It might seem as it's just a toy car that you transform manually, but this isn't a toy car which you can manually transform. If it's shut down, you can manually do it, but now I have it connected on the tablet. It has 54 charging. And now let's try saying command. There is also voice command for this special robot. It's actually the model of the Robosun Optimus Prime. You can buy, but the Prime one is not in stock, so I bought the T9 instead. So let's try saying a command. Hey T9. I forgot that we need to disconnect from it before we say any voice commands. So here is the disconnect and shutdown button. Let's press the disconnect. So now it says I'm here. Hey T9.
I'm here.
Say hello. Now it will transform back into its original form. Look at the professional. Now you can also control it with your tablet or phone or something like a laptop or something else. So this is the app. This is the app when you open it. Right now it's disconnected from Bluetooth, so let's connect it. When you press tap me button, it shows this, and you need to on your T9. The on button is over here. So hold it until the light glows and hold it for a few seconds after the light glows, and then it will on saying a word. Kind of says it really deeply that we can't hear it perfectly. So now let's connect to it. So when you connect, it will show the T9 robot like this. And now you can go to Bluetooth control. Now this is the transform button. This is the machine gun button. This is the cannon button. This is the gunnet button. And this is the volume it makes while doing these. And this is the forward and backward button. Now let's transform it. Before you do, please keep it away from you. Now let's transform it. In 3, 2, 1, transform. And you can actually program this one. There's another model also, which is called T9E, where it's just for entertaining and that sort of stuff. But this one you can program. It does dances. There are already Go program and block-based program and manual programming. To view these, go to gallery, and here also block-based and manual are there. These are the dances which it already makes when you download the app. So let's do accent tech. I'm not doing anything and it's dancing on its own. I am not also playing the sound, it's playing on its own. Now the song is over. Now there are more that we will not try because this video is a little short. Now let's go to Bluetooth control and try out these weapons. Now if you hold this, it will shoot a machine gun. Now if you hold this, it will throw some missiles. And this last button you just need to press, no holding. Now if you just press it, it will throw a grenade. And all the sounds are made by itself, not it throwing actually, or just coming from this. Now you can increase the volume or decrease here. Now let's increase the volume and do this. Now it's much bigger sound. Now if you decrease it, you kind of not hear it because it's very low. Let's keep it to medium now. Like that you can change the sounds. Now let's do another dance. We didn't do the epic story dance yet, so let's do that. Same as the action tech one. Now the song is over. We're into fashion inspiration. Let's do push-up. Might take a lot of area, but this is the push-up dance. It's not actually a dance, but it's an exercise. Just don't do it near you. Might hurt some people or just fall off. Now let's do machine talk. The dance is almost done. Now it's done. At the last, you might see some 4 different dances which are in another language. So let's do one of them. It actually transformed, but I think it will move forward. No, it won't. Now let's just transform it back. Now let's go to gadget again. Now let's do the second one. Wow. Now let's do the third one. It's transforming again. I don't know if it will move forward.